Some worlds are planets, others are moons. And then there is Ganymede, a moon so large that if it orbited the Sun directly, it might easily be mistaken for a planet. Larger than Mercury, home to a hidden ocean, and unlike any other moon ever discovered. For centuries, it was simply another point of light beside Jupiter. Today, we know it is something far more extraordinary. This is Ganymede. Among the hundreds of moons orbiting the planets of our solar system, none is larger than Ganymede. With a diameter of more than 5,200 kilometers, Ganymede is not only Jupiter's largest moon, it is the largest moon in the entire solar system. In fact, it is even larger than Mercury. If Ganymede orbited the Sun instead of Jupiter, early astronomers might have classified it as a planet. Yet despite its enormous size, Ganymede remained largely mysterious for centuries. Hidden within Jupiter's vast system, it quietly orbited the giant planet while preserving secrets that would eventually challenge our understanding of moons forever. In January 1610, Galileo Galilei pointed a telescope toward Jupiter and made one of the most important discoveries in scientific history. Beside the giant planet, he observed 4 small points of light. These would later become known as the Galilean moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Their discovery transformed humanity's view of the universe. Until then, many believed everything revolved around Earth. But the moons orbiting Jupiter proved that not all celestial bodies circled our planet. Ganymede became one of the first worlds beyond Earth ever observed in detail. Unlike Earth's moon, Ganymede is not a simple rocky body. Scientists believe it is composed of both rock and enormous quantities of water ice. Its surface is divided into 2 distinct regions. Some areas are dark, ancient, and heavily cratered, preserving billions of years of history. Other regions appear brighter and younger, marked by long grooves and ridges stretching across the landscape. These features suggest that Ganymede has experienced internal geological activity in the past. Beneath its frozen exterior lies a world far more dynamic than anyone once imagined. For decades, Ganymede was viewed simply as a large moon orbiting Jupiter. But modern exploration revealed something far more remarkable. This world possesses characteristics once thought possible only on planets. It has a differentiated interior, complex geology, vast amounts of water, and perhaps most surprisingly of all, a magnetic field of its own. Suddenly, Ganymede was no longer just another moon. It became one of the most fascinating worlds in the solar system. And beneath its frozen shell, scientists began to suspect an even greater secret waiting to be discovered. Most moons are passive worlds. They orbit their planets, reflecting sunlight and little more. But Ganymede is different. It possesses something no other moon in the solar system has ever been confirmed to possess: its own magnetic field. This discovery shocked scientists. Magnetic fields are usually associated with planets like Earth, where molten metallic cores generate enormous electrical currents deep inside. Finding one around a moon suggested that Ganymede was far more complex than anyone had imagined. Hidden beneath its frozen surface, something extraordinary was happening. Scientists believe Ganymede's magnetic field originates deep within the moon itself. Beneath layers of ice and rock lies a metallic core, likely composed of iron and iron sulfide. As this core slowly moves and circulates, it generates electrical currents powerful enough to create a magnetosphere. In many ways, Ganymede behaves more like a planet than a moon. Its interior is layered and active. Its magnetic field protects portions of the surface from charged particles. And unlike most moons, it has its own miniature space environment surrounding it. One of the most beautiful consequences of Ganymede's magnetic field is the presence of auroras. Just like Earth's northern and southern lights, charged particles interact with the Moon's magnetic environment and create glowing displays above the surface. Observations from space telescopes revealed shifting auroral patterns that helped scientists uncover another remarkable possibility. Beneath the ice, a vast ocean may be influencing the magnetic field itself. The auroras were not just beautiful. They were clues pointing toward a hidden ocean world. As scientists studied Ganymede's magnetic behavior, evidence began pointing toward an astonishing conclusion. Beneath the frozen crust may lie a global ocean containing more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Hidden under hundreds of kilometers of ice, this ocean remains completely isolated from sunlight. Yet its presence may explain subtle variations in Ganymede's magnetic field. Suddenly, the largest moon in the solar system became something even more exciting: a potential ocean world. And where liquid water exists, one question inevitably follows. Could life exist there too? Beneath Ganymede's frozen exterior may lie one of the largest reservoirs of liquid water in the solar system. Scientists estimate that its hidden ocean could contain more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. The ocean is buried beneath hundreds of kilometers of ice, making direct exploration incredibly difficult. Yet its sheer size changes how we think about habitable environments. On Earth, water is concentrated on the surface. On Ganymede, an entire ocean may exist in complete darkness, hidden from the universe above. Liquid water is one of the most important ingredients for life. That simple fact makes Ganymede incredibly interesting to astrobiologists. However, life requires more than water alone. Energy, chemistry, and long-term stability are also essential. Scientists still do not know whether Ganymede's ocean contains the conditions necessary for biology. But the possibility cannot be ignored. Somewhere beneath that frozen crust, a hidden environment may have existed for billions of years, long enough for remarkable things to happen. Humanity has not forgotten Ganymede. New spacecraft are being sent to study this remarkable moon in unprecedented detail. One of the most ambitious is Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, designed to investigate Ganymede, Europa, and Callisto. Scientists hope to map the moon's surface, analyze its magnetic field, and better understand the hidden ocean below. Every new observation brings us closer to answering one of the biggest questions in science. Is Ganymede simply a frozen moon, or something much more? Ganymede began as a distant point of light beside Jupiter. Today, it stands as one of the most fascinating worlds in the solar system. Larger than Mercury, possessing its own magnetic field, hiding an ocean larger than Earth's. It challenges the idea that moons are simple, lifeless companions to planets. Ganymede reminds us that extraordinary worlds can exist where we least expect them. And somewhere beneath its frozen surface, secrets billions of years old may still be waiting to be discovered.